Today, I'll show you how to enable God Mode, a secret Windows feature that gives you access to all system settings in one place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a new folder on your desktop. To enable God Mode, we need to create a special folder. 1. Right-click on your desktop, go to New, and select Folder. 2. Name the folder exactly as follows: godmode.ed7ba40465e825c 9971443e1c. 3. Press Enter and watch the folder icon change into a control panel-like icon. Step 2. Open God Mode. Once the folder is created, simply double-click it to open. Here, you'll find over 200 advanced system settings in one place. Things like device management, administrative tools, user accounts, network settings, and more. Step 3. Use God Mode for quick system tweaks. Instead of searching through multiple menus, God Mode lets you find everything instantly. For example, want to adjust power settings? It's here. Need to manage hard drives or partitions? Done. Want to tweak performance settings? It's all available. This is a super useful tool for advanced users and system administrators. Step 4. Delete God Mode if needed. If you ever want to remove God Mode, just delete the folder and it's gone. And that's how you enable God Mode in Windows, a hidden feature that makes system management a breeze. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Fix Me Master tutorials. See you in the next one. Let me know if you need any tweaks.